Just want us to play that. Okay. Just put it inside. Yes.
The National Chairman of INEC in absentia, the National Commissioners, other top management staff of INEC, the Deputy Governor-elect, Professor Farauta Kalapta, and her husband, my dear wife, the party stalwarts of PDP that have come from the state and the national to come and celebrate this very important moment with us in our life. The PDP Presidential and Governorship Campaign Council from Adamawa, headed by Honorable Awal Tuku, gentlemen of the press, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, with gratitude to Almighty Allah, I want to thank Him for this moment in my life and in the life of Nigerians that democracy have come to stay. It is unfortunate that we have to go through all this to arrive at this moment today. This should have been finished and done since on the 18th of March. But unfortunately, because of some attitude of some individuals among us, because of some desperations of some politicians, it has to drag this long for us to be here. But thank God, INEC, headed by very wonderful and excellent personals, have redeemed the whole process. They have redeemed the image battered by hoodoo, the so-called wreck in Adamawa. And today Nigerians have the cause to celebrate democracy, and all of us have won. I think going forward, we should learn from the lessons that we have gone through in the last 1 month, so that together as stakeholders, we'll continue to build on the process, we'll continue to build on our democracy to improve and deepen the democracy. One apology I have to make is what happened to the 2 excellent commissioners in my state. I take the blame and I make apology openly. I'm sorry for what the hoodlums and the miscreants did for the mistaken identity that they thought they were hoodoo, and they will never be. They are excellent gentlemen. I've never met them in person, but I cherish and I admire their good work. For Nigerians that have stood for this democracy and the international community, I say thank you. And may God bless all of us. May God bless our democracy. May God bless our country. Thank you, and God bless all of you.